In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of recovering deleted files from a pen drive, using the BitRecover Pen Drive Recovery Wizard. To install the BitRecover Pen Drive Recovery Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. Are you looking for a solution to recover deleted files and folders, even after they have been permanently removed? That's when BitRecover Pen Drive Recovery Wizard comes into play. After installation, simply launch the software. This is the interface of the BitRecover Pen Drive Recovery Wizard. Our tool offers users multiple recovery options, including deleted data recovery, formatted data recovery, partition data recovery, raw data recovery, and create disk image. Users can select the option that best suits their needs. Select the deleted data recovery option for this tutorial. Then, select the logical drive to start the data recovery process. Click Next. A pop-up will appear with the message, "If you are unable to find the deleted or lost files and folders in the directory tree, please select Formatted Data Recovery from the Data menu." Users can preview deleted data as well before recovering. Select the individual items or all the items you want to recover. Simply click the Save button, and select the destination folder for the recovered data to be saved. After selecting the destination folder, the recovery process will begin. Once the recovery is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the recovery was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and view the recovered data. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.